Now, this is how you can transcribe voice memos on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it works. And if this is your first time here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, it depends on your software, but if you're running the latest version of iOS, we now have the Voice Memos app, which has the feature built in. So you essentially just start your recording as usual, make sure that you capture it properly, that there is some spoken word that can be transcribed to begin with. But then once you have it, you can tap on the options, like go to the edit mode and either click the bottom left toggle for, like this speech bubble icon. You can tap on it and it's going to show you the transcript right away, so it tells you in real time, and you can even like play the recording back and it's going to probably highlight the words that get like spoken in real time. So that's a nice feature. But you can also tap on the three lines or dots in at the top left and copy the transcript, right? So you don't have to like manually copy it. You just click one button and you can then paste it somewhere else. So it's nice because it's built in. You don't have to do anything. As I said, if you don't see it, make sure you run the latest version of iOS. And yeah, that's how it works. I'm not saying that there aren't any other apps which can get the same thing done, but this is using the official built-in method and it works well. So yeah, I'm personally sticking with this. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do it on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos as well.